Hi everyone. In this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a quick pickup collectible inside the Blender game engine. So I've got my player character here and I'm going to go ahead and just do a real quick coin. So I'm going to make the coin out of a cylinder. So I'll tab into edit mode, scale it on the Z-axis to flatten it out a little bit. Go ahead and rotate it on the X-axis 90 degrees. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name the object. So that is done up here on the right hand side with the orange cube, and I'll just call this coin. I'll now give it a material. I'll call it coin material. Let's see. Okay, I already had it there. So there's my coin material. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it up. So the way this is working with the logic is that when the player's material collides with the coin, the coin then disappears. So I'm going to add a sensor. It's going to be collision. I'm going to change it over here from a property to a material collision. So there we are there. And I'm going to go ahead and find my player color. Okay, so there's my player material. And the actuator is brand new. The actuator is called an edit object actuator. I'm going to wire those together. Okay, so you'll see here that the edit object actuator has this pop-up menu that says add object, and that's if you want to create objects on the scene so you can give life to objects. End objects, which is the one we're going to choose, that will take away objects. If you remember in Stencil where there was a block that said kill actor, this will do the exact same thing. Replace mesh, which is a fun one, will swap out one object for another object. And these other two here are a little bit more advanced. We'll get to those possibly later on. I'm just going to choose end object. And so now you'll see that there's no other options here, and that's because it's going to end the object that it's placed on. So as soon as my player character touches this, the coin should then go away. So go ahead and press play, steer, touch it, and you can see the coin disappears. So that's pretty much it. If I want to add in a little bit of extra fun, I can add in maybe an always actuator, or sorry, always sensor. Then add in a motion actuator. This will make the coin spin around. And I'll go ahead and give it some rotation on the Z-axis, maybe just 4 degrees. And now press play. Okay, so the coin is now moving, just so it's a little more interesting to look at. And now when I hit the coin, it does in fact disappear. Okay, so that's it for this video tutorial. It's the edit object actuator. Definitely play around with it a lot today, and you can model and animate anything, and now you can make it appear, disappear, or replace. Alright, I will see you in the next class, and happy blending.